Question 21. When did Pakistan join the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD? Answer: 1964. Explanation: Pakistan joined the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development to advocate for fair trade policies and to integrate its domestic economy into the global market on more favorable terms for developing nations. Question 22. When did Pakistan join the Asian Development Bank, ADB? Answer: 1966. Explanation: As a founding member, Pakistan utilized the Asian Development Bank to finance regional connectivity, education, and energy sector development, making it a cornerstone of the nation's infrastructure financing. Question 23. When did Pakistan join the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO? Answer: 1968. Explanation: Joining the United Nations Industrial Development Organization provided Pakistan with technical support to modernize its industrial base, promote sustainable manufacturing, and enhance export-oriented industries. Question 24. When did Pakistan join the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC? Answer: 1969. Explanation: As a founding member of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, Pakistan has utilized this platform to foster political, economic, and cultural solidarity among Muslim-majority nations and to advocate for issues like Kashmir. Question 25. When did Pakistan join the Group of 24, G24? Answer: 1971. Explanation: Pakistan joined the Group of 24 to coordinate the position of developing countries on international monetary and development finance issues, specifically within the IMF and the World Bank. Question 26. When did Pakistan join the United Nations World Tourism Organization, WTO? Answer: 1975. Explanation: Pakistan joined the United Nations World Tourism Organization to promote the nation as a destination for international travelers and to receive guidance on developing sustainable tourism infrastructure. Question 27. When did Pakistan join the Executive Committee of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR? Answer: 1976. Explanation: Joining the Executive Committee of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees was significant, as Pakistan has historically been one of the largest host countries for displaced persons and refugees globally. Question 28. When did Pakistan join the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO? Answer: 1977. Explanation: By joining the World Intellectual Property Organization, Pakistan adopted international frameworks to protect patents, copyrights, and trademarks, thereby encouraging innovation and creative industries. Question 29. When did Pakistan join the International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD? Answer: 1978. Explanation: Membership in the International Fund for Agricultural Development helped Pakistan secure targeted funding to support small-scale farmers and improve food security in rural, impoverished regions. Question 30. When did Pakistan join the Non-Aligned Movement in EM? Answer: 1979. Explanation: Joining the Non-Aligned Movement reflected Pakistan's shift toward maintaining a neutral stance in the Cold War rivalry, prioritizing sovereign independence over formal military alignment with major global powers. Question 31. When did Pakistan join the South Asia Cooperative Environment Program, SASEP? Answer: 1982. Explanation: Pakistan joined the South Asia Cooperative Environment Program to collaborate with regional neighbors on addressing environmental challenges such as transboundary pollution and climate change mitigation. Question 32. When did Pakistan join the Economic Cooperation Organization, ECO? Answer: 1985. Explanation: Pakistan joined the Economic Cooperation Organization to promote regional trade, energy cooperation, and transportation links with Central Asian states, Iran, and Turkey. Question 33. When did Pakistan join the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC? Answer: 1985. Explanation: As a founding member of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, Pakistan aimed to promote regional integration, social progress, and economic development through collective action among South Asian nations. Question 34. When did Pakistan join the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, MIGA? Answer: 1991. Explanation: Pakistan joined this agency, part of the World Bank Group, to attract foreign direct investment by providing political risk insurance to international investors. Question 35. When did Pakistan join the International Organization for Migration, IOM? Answer: 1992. Explanation: Joining the International Organization for Migration allowed Pakistan to partner with international agencies to better manage labor migration, support migrant workers, and address human trafficking. Question 36. When did Pakistan join the World Trade Organization, WTO? Answer: January 1, 1995. Explanation: Pakistan became a founding member of the World Trade Organization, shifting its trade policy toward global multilateral rules, reducing trade barriers, and increasing participation in global supply chains. Question 37. When did Pakistan join the D8 Organization for Economic Cooperation, D8? Answer: 1997. Explanation: As a founding member of the D8, Pakistan sought to strengthen economic cooperation and trade ties among major developing Muslim-majority economies. Question 38. When did Pakistan join the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, OPCW? Answer: October 28, 1997. Explanation: Pakistan joined the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, committing to the global ban on chemical weapons and allowing for international verification of its industrial chemical facilities. Question 39. When did Pakistan join the Conference on Interaction and Confidence Building Measures in Asia, SCO? Answer: 1999. Explanation: Joining this forum allowed Pakistan to engage in regional security dialogues and build trust with other Asian nations regarding political, military, and economic challenges. Question 40. When did Pakistan join the ASEAN Regional Forum, ARF? Answer: 2004. Explanation: Membership in the ASEAN Regional Forum provided Pakistan with a platform to participate in security-related dialogues within the Asia-Pacific region, focusing on counterterrorism and maritime security. Question 41. When did Pakistan join the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB? Answer: January 16, 2016. Explanation: As a founding member of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, Pakistan secured access to substantial financing for energy and transport infrastructure projects, particularly those related to regional connectivity. Question 42. When did Pakistan officially become a full member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO? Answer: June 9, 2017. Explanation: After holding observer status for years, Pakistan became a full member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. This membership is central to its current regional security, counterterrorism, and economic integration strategy.